We are going to discuss socio-demographic table according to APA 7. This is the table of socio-demographic characteristics of the participant. First of all, we will write table number. It will be written in bold. Then we will write title of the table. It will be written in italicized. After that, we will write sample characteristics, frequency, which will be denoted with N, percentage, mean, and standard deviation. Frequency and percentage for the categorical variable and mean and standard deviation for the continuous variable. For example, we have first variable gender. This is categorical variable. It has two categories, men and women. So we will indent both categories. Similarly, we will indent categories of education. Then we will write the mean and standard deviation for the continuous variable, and for categorical variable we will write frequency and percentages. For example, for men we will write the frequency of men, how many men are in the data, and women. For example, here we have 147 men and the percentage is 49, and the women are 153 and the percentage is 51. So we will write frequency and percentages of the categorical variable. After that, we will write the mean of the continuous variable. For example, we have age, and the mean age is 21.22 with the standard deviation of 1.92. So we will write here. Similarly, we will write mean and standard deviation of CGPA and study hours per day. After that, we will write note. In note, we will write the sample size. N is equal to 300. Our sample size was 300. So we will write with the note. So here is the demographic characteristics table of the participants. Now, if you have only one continuous variable, like in this table we have only one variable, that is age, then you don't need to add mean and standard deviation in the table. You can add mean and standard deviation of one continuous variable in the note, as here. Participants were on an average 21.22 years old with standard deviation is 1.92. And we will just write frequency and percentages in the table. When we have two groups in the data, then we have to report the socio-demographic characteristics of both groups. For example, in this table we have two groups, private and public sector. So we will add one more column in the table. Same table, frequency, percentages, mean, standard deviation, one for public and one for private. First of all, we will write mean and standard deviation and frequency and percentage for the one group, and then for the other group. Like in this, we will write frequency and percentage for the men in private group, and then in public sector we will write frequency and percentages of the men. Similarly, we will write frequency and percentages of all the categorical variable in both columns, and for the continuous variable we will write mean and standard deviation for the both sectors. So this is the pattern when we have two groups. So you can see this is the private sector mean and standard deviation of the variable, and this is public. In the note section, we will similarly write sample size, and then we will write n is equal to 150 for each condition. We have to write the number of participants in each condition. So our number of participants is same. So we have written n is equal to 150 for each condition, as we have 150 participants in public and 150 participants in private. Okay, there is one important note that write an A is equal to 147 and AB is equal to 153 if sample size of both groups is different. If we have a different sample size in both groups, then you need to denote with A and B, and then you will write in note the n of A is equal to this and n of AB is equal to this. In this case, we have same sample size, so we have written n is equal to 150 for each category. So this is the table of socio-demographic characteristics of the participants. So you can see all the tables again. This is the simple demographic table. This is the table with one continuous variable. And this is the table when we have two categories of the participants, two groups. For example, private, public, maybe it could be a gender, man, women, it could be family system, anything. So these are the patterns of all the demographic characteristics table. Thank you.